And police are working on this one not only because there were injuries, but it's reported there were gunshots before that fire started.
I saw smoke come through the door.
I opened the door up, smoke just rushed in.
Terrifying moments tonight for people whose apartment building was engulfed in smoke and flames. People who jumped out of windows to escape.
I saw a lot of smoke, too much smoke. Said, we can't go out this way. We got to jump out the window.
3 men and 2 women were rushed to the hospital with burns and/or smoke inhalation. One man was pulled from a basement apartment by police officers, first on the scene, who risked their own lives to get him out. About a dozen people were in the building when this happened.
It was like on fire up there, and I seen people falling out the window. Somebody said they was gonna catch them, and they slipped out their hands.
Thank God all of them, our neighbors and friends made it out of here.
Arson investigators and the fire chief say they're being told there was gunfire outside the building earlier in the day. A car was shot up. And then right before the fire, someone was shooting in the front hallway, where they say it appears an accelerant was used. Police did carry a weapon out of the building.
I am very upset. I have worked hard for the things I get.
Terrible. I mean, this is all I have right here, what I'm wearing.
As fire victims walked near the scene, as the arson dog raced through the burned out building, the question is, who did this and why?
Justice needs to be served. Justice needs to be served.
Yes, I can replace things, man.
But not a life.
Not a life, never a life.
Now, we're waiting for condition updates on the victims. It's reported 2 did suffer pretty serious burns, but we're told that the injuries are not expected to be life-threatening. Also, police are hoping for some tips. Right now, they're saying everyone they talked to in the neighborhood, they're saying they didn't see or hear anything before the fire. If you know anything, definitely call police right away. On the east side, I'm Cheryl Choden, Channel 7 Action News.